Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today we're doing another paper squishy video. It's been quite a while since I've done one. YouTube says it's been 9 months, so we're way overdue for one. So I have a list of paper squishies that you all have requested. One day I'll get to them all, hopefully. The one that I'm doing today is a donut paper squishy and it was requested by YC10K. So if you're watching it, then I hope you enjoy this video. To start off, I had to come up with an idea. I looked at a lot of pictures of donuts. At first, I considered doing something like Krispy Kreme or some other like real donut brand, but I saw a lot of cute pink donuts with matching pink boxes, and I just thought that would be perfect, especially because Valentine's Day is coming. And that being said, this is a very versatile craft, so you could use the same idea and make any type of donut or box that you want. I will give a small spoiler alert. This paper squishy took me a long time to figure out and didn't come out the way that I expected it to on the first try, so we're gonna see a bit of that in the video. I started looking for a donut box template as I didn't want to spend too long trying to construct one myself. I did find a video of someone doing something very similar to what I had planned to do. Their YouTube name is Mish Crafts. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but they did provide a template for a box. I'll try to link their YouTube video down below if you want to check it out and print the box template for yourself. When I downloaded the image, it was actually too small, so I ended up resizing it in Canva and then I downloaded it and printed it. First, I tried to do the box with regular paper. This did not work out so well for me. It was too flimsy, and I also colored it on top of this like plastic sheet that came with my Ohuhu markers, but it already had ink on it. I didn't know if I was like supposed to clean this like sheet, but this is kind of the first time that I used it, and the ink from the plastic sheet got onto my box, so not only was it flimsy, but it also looked dirty. So I ended up tossing it and trying again. The second time I decided to print it on like a colored cardstock. This did work a lot better. I don't have a lot of footage from it, but it did end up working out because the tabs that they have, it didn't really like fit in the hole. And it kept ripping and it kept making me angry. I finally got it together, but it was like all wonky looking, and in the end I ended up printing it another time. I decided to not put the tabs in the holes. Instead, just tape them to the sides of the box, which worked wonderfully. The only thing I recommend is perhaps making your donut slightly smaller than I made mine, because mine fit very snugly in the box and it made the box gape just a bit. After all the work I had to put in making the box, I decided not to color the hearts on it like I did in the original box. Instead, I just stuck on some heart stickers, but that gives you some options if you don't want to design the box yourself. For the paper squishy donut, I used a lid to a candle to create 2 circles. I cut them out and I colored them. Initially, I colored them both brown, and then I realized that it'd probably be easier if I made one a different color to be the icing. So I did another one. I made it white. I used white paper and I colored on pink hearts for sprinkles to match the box. I then cut 2 strips of paper, colored them brown as well, and this is just regular printer paper. After that, I went ahead and put tape on the front of the 2 donut circles and tape on the front of the 2 brown strips. I used heavy duty Scotch shipping packaging tape. You can find this at Walmart or Amazon. I really like the heavy duty because, in my opinion, it squishes a little less, but it holds up a little better than just regular tape. And because it's bigger, you don't have to do so many small pieces. Once I had all the tape on it, I ended up sticking one of the strips to the donut, and then I would just cut the tape a bit, stick it again, cut the tape a bit, stick it again, like that. And you should be able to see it in the video. It's a little hard to explain. Once I got the first strip around, I went ahead and taped on the second strip, and then I just used smaller pieces of tape to help secure it. I did leave a hole for the filling and I filled it with toy stuffing. If you don't have toy stuffing, there are a lot of options. You could use stuffing from an old pillow, you could use old fabric, tissue paper, toilet paper, plastic bags, sponges, foam, etc. Anything that's like soft and squishy. If you want to make it slow rising, you'll just need to put it in some kind of plastic bag, like a Ziploc, and then secure it, and then poke holes in it. And the holes will allow air to go in and out, which will cause the slow rising effect. I didn't do it for this one, but I have done it in some of my past videos. If you want to check them out, I'll put my paper squishy playlist in the iCards above if you want to see them. Overall, I really do like how this paper squishy came out. I know it wasn't as long of a video as I normally do, but I had some other things for work I had to do, so it's all I had time for this week. I think it's super cute. I would love to hear what all of you think about it in the comments below, and I would love to hear if there is a paper squishy that you would want me to create on my channel. If you made it to the end of this video, consider putting a donut emoji in the comments below so I know that you made it this far. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video, and I plan on doing another Create This Book video. I know a lot of you have been requesting it. It'll probably be Create This Book 3. I hope that all of you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye now.